What's up guys, John Davis here. Welcome to WSU Cribs, and this is my crib. Alrighty guys, first up, my bed. This is where I sleep every single night. We got a half-size queen up in here. Right under here, beautiful underbed storage, absolutely gorgeous. Over here on the desk, my state-of-the-art gaming PC, absolutely beautiful and good for Microsoft Office, high speed. Right over here, beautiful closet space. Look at all that. I can fit my entire closet from back home plus extra in there, and it's a free mirror. Here at the honors in WSU Cribs, you get to control your own AC. Alrighty guys, over here I got my Gucci kitchenette, hot and cold water. Up above, we got plenty of storage space. Below that, 700-watt microwave. And down below, a fully stockable mini fridge. And to the side, beautiful cabinet. Now onto the decorations. As a true WSU Raider, you gotta keep it rowdy all day long. Rowdy, Raider up, baby. Next over here in the corner, my dream destination. Always keep your aspirations high and your goals always on your mind. Next up guys is my absolutely gorgeous luxury bathroom, full-length shower, and just like every man needs, his porcelain throne. Alrighty guys, and here in honors, we have a beautiful high-resolution aerial photograph of our Wright State University campus. And here at WSU Cribs Honors, students here have complete, full, and total access to our beautiful, amazing Raider Mart. Anything you want there, you can get, guys. Toiletries, food, snacks, and you can stock up in your dorm. Even better, they have their own sub place inside. Alrighty guys, this is the Bridge Cafe, my favorite place to hang out here at WSU Cribs. Inside we got full gourmet smoothies, milkshakes, coffee, and treats. Beautiful place to hang out. The students here love it. And here at WSU Cribs Honors Housing, we got full access 24/7 workout facilities. You already know I'm out here every single day working, making gains, baby. Best thing about WSU Cribs is students have full access to sports amenities. Best part about living at WSU Housing is you can wake up for those 8 a.m. super late, still get to class on time. Alrighty everyone, thanks for tuning in to my WSU Cribs tour. If you have any questions, please go to wright.edu/housing and apply for your WSU Crib today.